Hey everyone, get ready for a front row POV ride on Mako. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share the best spot on the ground to catch awesome photos and videos of you riding.
This will be the face I'll do. Sorry, I honestly did not think of that.
I just heard him do it and I did it.
Yes, I know. So now I have to try and figure out what to do for audio for a long-form video.
Sorry, I did not think of that.
Sure, it's no big deal. Long-form, don't do that.
And now, for the perfect photos and videos of your friends and family riding Mako, head over to the benches by the water just across from the ride exit and shop. It's right next to the entrance area, giving you an awesome view. If you liked that video, then make sure to check out this next one. You're sure to love it. And don't forget to subscribe, because we'll be posting more and you don't want to miss it.